Welcome to the magnificent Jagannath Temple, one of the most revered pilgrimage sites in India. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Puri, this temple is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, an incarnation of Lord Krishna. Renowned for its unique architecture, the temple features a towering shikhara and intricate carving that reflect centuries of artistic tradition. Every year, the Jagannath Rath Yatra or Charod festival attracts millions of devotees and tourists alike. As massive wooden chariots are pulled through the street of Puri, the vibrant celebration embody the spirit of community and devotion, making it a truly unforgettable experience. The temple also serves as a cultural hub where pilgrimage, music, and dance coverage enriching the spiritual atmosphere. As you step into this sacred space, you will be captivated by the divine energy and the warmth of the tradition that permeates the year. Whether you seek spiritual solace or wish to explore India's rich heritage, the Jagannath Temple promises to be a journey of lifetime. So come immerse yourself in the beauty and devotion of Jagannath Temple.
This temple is important for workout people as well. So the people like me, once is better to come here and whatever you want to do, after that you can do that. And this is outside area, you see, you cannot see any public vehicles here, just some private, and people are walking because it is near to the temple there. Anyway, it's nice wide road. So far it's clean and the weather is not so hot. Air is fine until now, but some places they are dirty but perfect. And not so hot today, it is cloudy. Alright, here we are in front of the temple. This is the temple behind us. And now it is closed for 1 hour. For some reason they are writing there. We didn't read all of the information. So there are many gates. You can go, you can make videos, take pictures, but inside you are not allowed to take any things like cameras like this thing. Plus, the things they are not allowed in this Hindu religion, they are also not allowed to take. Let's say you cannot wear leather and go inside, something like that, and some other things might be not allowed. So far we made it to here. Inside we're not gonna capture anything, so you just remember this temple and this God from your heart. Maybe your wishes will be fulfilled, we never know. So Jai Jagannath from Puri, Odisha.
Jai Jagannath.
That one is the main gate, it look like, and this pillar there are many stuff here. I'm gonna write in my comment section because I didn't study all also. And also you have a basic idea how to come here because I am making few videos about this trip. So you can come here, you can enjoy the beaches, and you can use the one of the famous Hindu temple here in India. Because according to the Hindu religion, devotees, they believe in Char Dham. It's called like 4 places, and one of this is this temple. So it is really, really important and cool temple.
2,000 years later.
So we are back from the temple because temple we are not allowed to take any cameras and mobiles. So we left everything in this shop, they call Jutta stand. So it is trustee, we left our cameras, our 3 mobiles, everything here, and everything was perfectly fine. And we paid some money, around 70 Indian rupees for all shoes and mobile and this one. So I should say thank you for keeping our things safety. So now gonna go to do our regular things. So this is it for the temple vlog. How do you like these things? Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And one more thing, there are some like it's like there's some priests. They gonna like call you and charge money, and it's like a semi scam is going to be there inside, but you need to be like a little bit clever and you have to think wisely. But besides that, this is like, even it looks chaos, but it's fine. Everything is like safe here. It's well managed area. Have all security around, checking things, everything. So you can feel free to enjoy in this type of place.
खाइए ना सर, पहले पैसा बाद में
20 रुपया।
खाइए।
मन परे ना फ्री है
बढ़िया नहीं होगा, पैसा नहीं लगेगा, खाइए। आप बोलिएगा अच्छा लगे तो बोलिए। आइए सर।
भी खा जाओ
म पनि खान्छु, तिमी खाऊ पहिला। म पनि खान्छु, तिमी खाऊ। यो लाइसेन्स यसको मात्रै रहेछ होइन? बल्ल सोध्ने हो। This is biryani soup. This is raita. That is egg biryani. That one egg fried rice. This is butter garlic prawn. And this is chicken biryani. They have chicken and egg as well. This is how they serve in Indian food in India. Here we go. The 5th day of our trip. Saturday today. The room is like this. The guy is naked there. अब ब्लगमा थिएँ जाने भयो होइन अब दिपकको यही हो, थम्नेलै यही हुन्छ थम्नेलमा यही हुन्छ परेन। So today we're gonna move from this city to another city and we see what is going to happen. I'll update about that as well, so stay tuned until the end of this vlog. Cheers. यता आउनु रहेछ। आयो अरू गल्तीहरू छ। उनीहरू सुतेर बसेको छ नि, भुङ्गा हान्दियो भने आपत हुन्छ। गोरु पनि रहेछ। Many cows in the India's street. They are cute anyway. फोर छ क्या त्यही पनि।
एक्सर्साइज गर्ने बुढाबुढी केटाकेटीहरू भित्रबाट क्याम्प
how India's bus station look like, and then we are searching for ticket to Siliguri, which border with Nepal. So let's see what will happen. What type of bus we gonna get, and the condition of stomach is getting worse because we are eating like crazy, and from last night how did it travel? So we see what will happen on
काउंटर बगल में देख लो
Here we go. We are in Kolkata, India, and it is 7:15 right now. And we have the antique ambassador vehicle. I'm gonna show you from out when it's a little bit empty. The road. So this is how it look like inside. चलेगा नहीं अब जाएगा This is the apartment that we stayed a day in Kolkata. So now we are moving to Siliguri. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna be in Nepal. Snacks available on the bus. This is the hotel on the highway in India. So this is what is going on here in the city of Nepal.